basically going to be transacting with tokens because it's a native currency. They don't have a bank account, right? And it's going to be in the same way that you have to become basically internet readable to be discovered by your customer audience. You have to become AI readable to become accessible, whether it's an asset you're selling or a product you're trying to reach, right? And so we have to figure out ways in which it becomes tokenized because it's the standard. And the key differentiator is, I believe we're moving away from trusting an API to having trust, essentially the blockchain, as that sovereign source of information. Like I can trust that if you give me Bitcoin, it is your Bitcoin and I now have it, right? You're not gonna, there's no way you can take it away. Whereas we're still living in the Web 2 era in an API economy, which is all permissioned, right? But on blockchain, I can still exist on the same system, share the network effects without ever having to worry that I essentially get deplatformed because of its permissionless nature and because of the inherent property rights that basically the blockchain can deliver. And so so if I have an AI agent who's going to trade, millions of dollars for me, I'm not going to do that on an API basis. I'm going to do that on a system that I know is sovereign, right? Just for the safety and security of my assets. That's the only thing. And that in itself is good enough why I will choose something that's on chain as opposed to something that's centralized, for instance, right?